vegetables vegetable varieties and technologies of IHR Bangalore. This lecture is going to be delivered by Dr. V. Sankar, the Principal Scientist IHR Bangalore, for the benefit of students and scientists. So in this occasion, I invite Dr. C. Mutaya, Professor and Head of the Department of Plant Protection, to have a welcome address. Thank you.
Dean, Horticulture College and Research Institute, Curriculum, and the guest lecture speaker of today's event, Dr. V. Sankar, Scientist, IIHR Bangalore, and I welcome the scientists from IIHR Bangalore for giving the guest lecture to for the benefit of our students, not only to our HNR PKM as well as for the rest of the university. I also welcome the team SPGS, team Coimbatore, and also I welcome the students, the undergraduate students, postgraduate students from Horticulture College and Research Institute Curriculum, as well as the students from TNAU Coimbatore for attending this valuable guest lecture to be given by Dr. V. Sankar, IIHR Bangalore. I request her to give this guest lecture. Welcome, sir, please.
So before the guest lecture, I am going to introduce Dr. V. Sankar. Dr. Sankar is an eminent vegetable scientist. Then he did his UG degree program at HNR curriculum. He is alumni of HNR curriculum. It's the first batch of curriculum campus. Then followed by he did his MSc as well as PhD at TNAU Coimbatore. Then he joined as a IRI the ICAR scientist, and the first as a scientist worked in the Indian Institute of Onion and Garlic Research Institute, Pune, Maharashtra. Then followed by Central Institute of Horticultural Research, Sub-Center of IHR Bangalore, Chatali. And I know that he is a very important scientist for the development of mandarin orange, fruit mandarin orange as well as avocado. I remember that he is a man to organize the international national level conference of exclusively avocado in India. So the part of avocado expansion of Indian prospects, his role is very important. He has some 20 years experience in research, teaching, and extension activities TOT programs, with a specialization of micro irrigation, fertigation, precision farming, organic farming, exotic vegetable cultivation, protector cultivation, and GAP and other improved production technology of vegetable crops. Then other farmers-related orientation program. Now we request Dr. Sankar. He got a lot of knowledge with respect to MOU with introduction of IHR varieties to other institutes. So for that, we also request him to develop our model vegetable cafeteria in HNR curriculum. He also agreed. Thanks to V. Sankar on behalf of HNR curriculum. Then all that he is a man for cooperative co-organizing faculty for various national and international seminars, symposia. Recently, he conducted 3 numbers of training program national level as an organizing secretary. Then he is the Executive Council of Indian Society of Luminance. Then IHR, ICAR campus of Pune with respect to onion and garlic. Then he published more than 50 research articles in national and international level, technical bulletins 12 number, then ISBN books 10 numbers and popular articles 60 numbers. Then he is organizing power to conduct more than 150 numbers of farmers oriented training program. Then he was guided in the earlier PhD programs, MSc Horticulture programs. Then more than 50 years external examiner as a PhD as well as MSc level. Then he conducted a lot of projects, particularly 25 numbers of externally funded projects for the benefit of research fraternity of horticulture. So in this regard, with a broad outline of the speaker, Dr. V. Shankar. I invite Dr. Shankar, the Principal Scientist, IIHR Bangalore, to deliver the special lecture on this wonderful and unique occasion. Thank you very much. Now I hand over to Dr. Shankar.
Sir, thank you very much for your kind words and nice introduction. Good afternoon to all. Myself, Dr. V. Shankar, working as a Principal Scientist at ICAR-IIHR Bangalore. My specialization is vegetable science, but at present I am working in Division of Social Science and Training, ICAR-IIHR Bangalore. I feel very proud to stand in front of you, particularly with our students, our teachers, our beloved teachers, professors, particularly Rajangam sir, Mudaya sir, Janvi ma'am, Saraswati ma'am, Muthulakshmi ma'am. Yes, I was in first batch, that is a prime import batch during the year 92-94, and I feel very proud and very happy to say I am also alumni of HC&RI, this very beautiful, vibrant and elegant campus. And coming to the subject, just I want to share what are all the varieties and technologies developed by IIHR. This will be useful for our students, friends. As you know that ICAR-IIHR is a part of ICAR New Delhi. This IIHR was established during the year 1967. So almost we have completed 55 years. And at Bangalore, we are having around 700 acres farm for doing research and also extension and education. Apart from main campus IIHR Asaraghatta, we are having 3 more regional research stations at 2 states. One is at Karnataka, that is called Central Horticultural Experiment Station. It was located at Tumkur. Here, mostly we are concentrating on jack and dragon fruit. And the second research, that is the regional research station at Coorg, that is Kodagu. We are having Central Horticultural Experiment Station. There we are working Coorg Mandarin. Apart from Coorg Mandarin, we are concentrating on all kind of underutilized and exotic fruits and vegetables. And the third research station at Odisha, Bhubaneswar, there we are having Central Horticultural Experiment Station. Mostly we are concentrating on vegetable and fruits which are suitable to grow under coastal area. So apart from 3 research stations, we are having 2 more KVKs, one KVK at Tumkur, another KVK at Konikoppal, Coorg. So these are overall setup of our IIHR. So coming to the vegetable means that the vegetables, as per IIHR is concerned, we are working more than 30 vegetable crops, and so far we have released more than 150 varieties and hybrids. Particularly if you see the open pollinated varieties, almost 110, and for F1 hybrids, 40 hybrids we have released. Even though it is located in Karnataka, Bangalore, so whatever technologies and varieties we are releasing, it will be suitable to Kashmir to Kanyakumari. So apart from varieties and hybrids, we have standardized more than 25 vegetable production technologies. So we will tell one by one. So I am not a breeder, but even though I will summarize what are the different varieties and hybrids, including technologies released from IIHR. So as I told, more than 30 vegetable crops we are working, and we are working under 5 classifications. First one is a solanaceous vegetable. As you know, it's consisting of tomato, brinjal, chilies and pepper, and cooker beets. All kind of that pandal vegetables comes under the cooker beets group, including okra, and leguminous vegetable, root and pulses. Even though onion earlier we used to release lot of varieties, but at present we are not working except the small onion and Arka Bindu, that's the export onion. Otherwise, most of the research will be done by Directorate of Onion and Garlic Research, Pune. Of course, we are working carrot, tropical carrot and radish. And coming to the cone crops, mostly cauliflower and leafy vegetable amaranthus, pollock and coriander. So this is our trademark, that is Arka. So Arka is our registered trademark. Whatever technology we used to release, and we used to fix Arka as a prefix. So whatever varieties we released, it will start from Arka only. Just like our TNAU CO series, that is Co series. So our IHR series is Arka. And coming to the vegetable, as I told, more than 30 vegetables. The first one is the solanaceous vegetable. Among the solanaceous vegetable, tomato is the topmost. And tomato, we are having more than 1 dozen varieties and hybrids. Okay, so but I don't want to mention all the varieties and hybrids. What are the popular hybrids or varieties which are mostly suitable or for commercial cultivation? So the first category is a tomato, which are highly suitable for salad making, isn't it? So this variety, recently we released the ICAR-IIHR. It's not a variety, sorry, it's a hybrid, F1 hybrid. We released the ICAR-IIHR. It's highly suitable for salad. So the salient feature of this hybrid is this is a triple resistant F1 hybrid, resistant to leaf curl, bacterial wilt, and also early blight. And the fruit is round, and it is having very good storage life and suitable for long distance market. And fruit size is medium, 80 to 100 grams, and yield potential is 75 to 80 tons per hectare. So the important salient feature is it is having a more soluble solids, particularly sugar content. So highly suitable for processing. And the second category is tomato hybrids for culinary, particularly for making all kinds of gravy. So we have released two hybrids. One is the ICAR-Samrat, another one is the ICAR-Abate. Coming to the ICAR-Samrat, as earlier I told, ICAR-IIHR having more sugar content. This Samrat having more ascorbic acid content because it's more acidic fruit and highly suitable for sambar making. Samrat means mostly suitable for sambar making. So whatever sambar or rasam, this hybrid is very popular in southern states, particularly for Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Andhra, and Telangana. This one also F1 and also resistant to leaf curl, bacterial wilt, and early blight disease resistant, and it is suitable for fresh market. And the yield, if you calculate for acre to hectare, around 80 to 90 tons per hectare it will come. And the third important hybrid is ICAR-Abate. This is called all-season tomato. So whatever tomato we are recommending, this F1 hybrid you can recommend for Kharif, Rabi, as well as for summer. So it is suitable for all three seasons. And the second important one is multiple disease resistant hybrid. As I told earlier, ICAR-IIHR, ICAR-Samrat and all triple resistant. But this one having a multiple disease resistant mechanism. Particularly, this F1 hybrid is resistant to leaf curl, early blight, late blight, and also bacterial wilt. That's why we used to call multiple disease resistant F1 hybrid, suitable for all seasons. And if you see the yield potential, 70 to 80 tons per hectare, and it is suitable for culinary purpose. So coming to the processes, earlier we told that salad purpose and also for gravy or culinary purpose. And the last category, tomato hybrid suitable for processing industry. As we have released two hybrids, as I told ICAR-IIHR, it is having a very good sugar content and also dry matter content. So ICAR-IIHR we can use for processing purpose, particularly for value addition, for making soup, sauce, crush, ketchup, and a lot of byproducts are available. Apart from ICAR-IIHR, ICAR-Abate, this is also F1 hybrid and highly suitable for processing because you can see the photo, it's a one-time harvest. Even at the time, you can get fruits of 80 to 100 and no need to pluck the fruits. Directly, you pull the plant and just shake it, all fruits will come. So this is these two hybrids are highly suitable for processing and value addition. This is the yield potential of ICAR-IIHR after 20 August because even any local varieties, we can get 3 to 5 kg per plant. But these hybrids, we can get more than 15 to 20 kg per plant. That's why we need support. Some kind of support we should give. And these are the tomato hybrids, performance of tomato hybrids in different states, particularly Telangana, Andhra. And even Mizoram, Northeast also we had tried, we got very good performance. And up to Theni district also we tried. Both are hybrids, ICAR-IIHR, ICAR-Samrat, we got a very good yield potential. This is the one success story of ICAR-IIHR. One farmer near Kollekal, he used to grow this ICAR-IIHR for 30 acres as an intercrop in papaya field. And he used to get a yield of 40 tons per hectare. Even though our recommended yield is 25 to 30 tons per hectare, but this person got highest yield of 40 tons per hectare. And if you see the cost benefit ratio, after removing or after include all kind of expenditure, finally he got a net profit of 75 lakh from 6 months duration. So this is the one success story from Ramachandra Kollekal taller, and it got the best farmer award also. This is again Arka Rakshak performance, same in Northeast and also Theni district. And coming to the chilies also we are having very good varietal wealth, and also we are having a very good accessions, more than 800 accessions which we were collected from different parts of the state and also from abroad we collected. And if you see the varietal wealth, again so many varieties, almost 1 dozen varieties we have released, and the hybrids almost 9 hybrids we have released. We will see one by one, almost 18 varieties and 9 hybrids. These are the variability in our chili germ blossom. And if you see the varietal wealth, we'll see one by one.
So, 1 minute, and now I request to continue the lecture by the speaker.
Yeah, coming to the chilies, as I told, we have listed more than 18 varieties and 9 hybrids. And among the hybrids, ICAR-IIHR is a very popular hybrid, which was listed from ICAR-IIHR during the year 1999. And even though more than 20 years old, it is a very popular in southern states. And the important feature of this F1 hybrid is highly pungent. Compared to other hybrids, it is highly pungent and also tolerant to powdery mildew and also leaf curl virus disease. These are the major salient feature of this hybrid, high pungent. And this is a dual purpose segment. Even if you want to use as a green chili, you can use it. If there is no market, you can make it as a dry chili. So it's a dual purpose segment F1 hybrid, and the duration is almost 160 days or 180 days. And if you use green color, means for only for domestic purpose as a green chili, the yield potential around 40 tons per hectare. And if you want to make as a dry chili, almost 5 to 6 tons per hectare. So this is a highly pungent chili among the all hybrids which we released at IIHR Bangalore. And the second one is the ICAR-IIHR. This is a variety we are recommending for processing. Even though this one is a very low pungent, but it is having a very good color, and oil also we are extracting. This is called ICAR-IIHR. And the third F1 hybrid is ICAR-Meghna. This is also very popular, and this one is a tolerant to powdery mildew and leaf curl virus. This is also dual purpose segment. You can use as a green chili and also for making dry chili. If you use for green chili, the yield potential around 35 tons per hectare, and for dry chilies around 5 to 6 tons per hectare. And this is also tolerant to powdery mildew, and it is a early maturing F1 hybrid. And coming to the pungency, it is having medium pungency. As earlier I told, ICAR-IIHR is a highly pungent one, and ICAR-Meghna is a medium pungent F1 hybrid. And coming to the third hybrid, that is called ICAR-IIHR. So this is also very popular F1 hybrid in Andhra and Telangana. The main feature of this hybrid is long and also attractive light green color, and the yield potential also very good, around 40 to 45 tons we will get it. And next important hybrid is ICAR-Sweta. ICAR-Sweta also is a F1 hybrid and a dark green color and the dual segment. Here the fruit size is very thin and also very long, and this is a dual purpose, green as well as for dry chili making. The next important F1 hybrid is ICAR-Loki. This is suitable for irrigated as well as for rainfed cultivation. Even though this is a F1 hybrid, but it gives very good yield under low moisture regime, and the yield potential around 25 to 30 tons per hectare as a green chili, and for dry chilies around 3 tons per hectare. Next, ICAR-Sufal also suitable for rainfed cultivation, particularly in the area of Andhra, Telangana, and some district, particularly for Ramanadu district and all. We can recommend these hybrids. ICAR-Sufal is suitable for rainfed cultivation, and this is also dual purpose segment, fresh chilies for a domestic market and dry chili for local and also for export purpose. So this is the yield potential of our ICAR-Meghna. See that the plant height almost it used to grow around 3 to 4 feet high. This is the drying yard. So green chilies as well for dry chili making. And coming to the latest F1 hybrid, which is we released at the IIHR, these are the 100% resistant to leaf curl virus. As you know that chili is having a lot of disease. Among the disease, leaf curl one is a very serious disease caused by sucking pest, isn't it? So recently we released 5 important hybrids segment wise. And mostly it's all hybrids are suitable for export purpose. The first category is a dry and small. This is purpose is a dry chili and the segment is a small. Second is a dry chili or medium. It's called ICAR-IIHR. And the third one is a dual purpose segment and the fruit size is a small. And the fourth one is again dual purpose and the medium size is called ICAR-IIHR. And the last one is we used to call that bullet chili is called a green color upright and small one. It's called ICAR-IIHR. These are all the highly resistant to leaf gall virus disease. So ICAR-IIHR is comes under the green chili making. But it's only one purpose, mostly for domestic purpose and the green chili making. And this is 100% resistant to leaf gall virus and tolerant to root knot nematode. And if you see the green chili yield potential, almost 10 tons per hectare. And the Deshashvi, as I told, try small segment and the pungency also very good. It's 100% resistant to leaf gall virus and also resistant to powdery mildew. And the yield potential around 30 to 35 quintal, almost 3 to 4 quintals for dry chili making. And the Yashasvi, as I already mentioned, comes under the dry medium category, 100% resistant to leaf gall, and the yield potential is 3 to 3.5 tons per hectare. Sanvi comes under the dual small segment and medium pungent, and the yield potential ranges from 3 to 3.5 quintals as a dry chili, and for green chili around 10 to 12 tons per hectare. Sanvi comes under the dual medium segment, 100% resistant to leaf curl, even resistant to root knot nematode also, and the yield potential 10 tons per hectare as a green chili and 3 to 3.5 tons as a dry chili. So these are all the important hot chilies what we released at IHR. And coming to the capsicum, we have released a lot of varieties. First one is the Arka Gaurav, this is the yellow one, and the Arka Basant, light orange color, and the crimson color, Arka Mohini. So these are the varieties we released. And recently we released one hybrid, it is called Arka Adulya. So the speciality of this hybrid is highly suitable to grow under open condition, and you can grow both the seasons, even Kharif as well as for Rabi. This is a F1 hybrid and the yield potential is around 40 to 50 tons per hectare. And coming to the brinjal and brinjal varieties and hybrids, here you can see the variability in terms of size, shape, and also color. As per IAHR is concerned, so far we have released around 10 varieties, including 2 hybrids. These are the important hybrids, and whatever varieties and hybrids we released at IAHR, it all comes under the 2 category or 2 segment. One is a green long, another one is a purple long. We don't have round or oblong fruits. So comes under the long green category, we are having an excellent F1 hybrid. It's called Arka Anand. This is a high yielding F1 hybrid, and if you see the yield potential, this is a very cluster bearing, and the yield potential is around 65 to 70 tons per hectare. These kind of long green color brinjal is very popular in Karnataka as well as for Kerala. So this is highly suitable for making vangipath. As you know that vangipath is a morning tiffin item. It's very popular in Karnataka. So preparation of that vangipath, what you call that brinjal rice, this hybrid is highly suitable and is very easy to cook. So this is very popular in Karnataka, even Kerala, except Tamil Nadu. And we are having one bottle brinjal, it's called Arka Navani. This one also F1 hybrid. The fruit size is around 400 to 500 grams, and mostly we are recommending for hotel purpose because this kind of F1 hybrids highly preferred for preparation of Bangan paratha and all. This kind of Bangan paratha mostly as a side dish for tandoori roti or all kind of chapati, kulcha and all. So mostly we are recommending for hotel purpose. It's called Arka Navani. The yield potential is around 40 to 50 tons per hectare. And coming to the cucurbitaceous vegetable, in case of rich gourd, we are having 2 important types. One is the Arka Vikram. Arka Vikram is a F1 hybrid which we released at our IHR during the year 2017. So the advantage of this fruit is medium size. As per rich gourd is concerned, we don't want long fruits and we don't want short fruit also. Mostly farmers are interested to grow as a medium size fruit which ranges from 30 to 45 centimeter. isn't it? But these fruits are around 1.5 to 2 feet, around 45 to 60 centimeter, and a very good cooking quality and rich in antioxidant activities also. It is rich in minerals and other vitamins. And if you see the yield potential, around 35 to 40 tons per hectare will get with a duration of 4 months. So this is a F1 hybrid. And the second one we released as a open pollinated variety is called Alka Prasam. This is a open pollinated variety, otherwise you can call as a naughty or local variety. The important salient feature of this variety is medium sized fruit. As I told, Arka Vikram is a somewhat long sized fruit that ranges from 45 to 60 centimeter. But this one ranges from 30 to 45 centimeter. Is mostly ditto, just like that Naga. Naga variety is a very popular in Richicod. It's a private variety. It is equal to Naga variety, and yield potential also very good, around 25 to 30 tons per hectare you will get it. So compared to Arka Vikram as a F1 hybrid, farmers' preference is this Richicod variety Arka Prasa. It's because this is the they will do their own seed production. Even though it's an open pollinated variety, directly they will do seed production. So for that purpose, mostly farmers their choice is Arka Prasa. And this Arka Prasan is a very popular in Andhra and also Telangana. Farmers, they used to get a very attractive and remunerative income. Even for 3 lakhs, they used to get within the month of 3 months, 90 to 120 days. After removing all cost of cultivation, everything, minimum 2.5 lakhs per acre with 90 to 120 days they used to get. So these are the success stories. And coming to the Penti, okra. So okra, again, as I told, a lot of types are there. Here I want to mention only popular type. The first one is Arka Abe. So the salient feature of Arka Abe is the open pollinated variety and tolerant to yellow vein mosaic virus. And the important one is it is suitable for processing and value addition. So that is a major contribution or major salient feature of this variety, but it is just tolerant to yellow vein. And the second important and popular variety in okra is Arka Anamika. Even though this is this variety which we released 20 years back, but still it is very popular and also very famous in farmers' field. This is an open pollinated variety and it is tolerant to yellow vein mosaic virus, and the yield potential is very good. Even we are recommending 20 tons per hectare, and the farmers used to get more than 30 tons per hectare. And this is a ruling variety of okra. But the only thing is this is tolerant or somewhat susceptible to yellow vein mosaic virus, particularly if the variety you can grow during summer season. And the recent F1 hybrid under okra we released is called Arka Nikita. So Arka Nikita is a yearly maturing F1 hybrid which is almost resistant to yellow vein mosaic virus. And this hybrid you can grow throughout the year except the summer season, except March, April, and also May. And the remaining altogether almost 8 to 9 months you can grow, and you won't get the yellow vein mosaic virus symptoms. And important features of this hybrid is high yielder. Almost we used to get 25 to 30 tons per hectare. And the second one is that less mucilage. Even while harvesting and all labors, no, even compared to other vegetables, harvesting of okra is very difficult to get labor because of that irritation, pubescence, presence of pubescence and also mucilage. So this hybrid is having a very less mucilage and a very good cooking quality and very easy to get, means very easy to cook at our kitchen. And the third one is less irritation, means less hairiness and pubescence. So now this Arka Nikita is a very popular F1 hybrid and it is very popular in more than 10 states. Coming to the peas matter, as we know that it's the cool season vegetable crop. As per Tamil Nadu is concerned, mostly we used to grow Kodaikanal, Ooty and Yerkade. Even though it's a cool season crop, people used to, particularly farmers used to grow during Rabi season, particularly October, November and January, because it's a very short duration crop. So we are having a lot of varieties, Arka Achit, Arka Pramod, and the important one is the Arka Priya. Arka Priya is a mid-season variety and 100% resistant to rust and powdery mildew. The important feature of this variety is it is tolerant to temperature up to 35 degrees Celsius. Because other varieties in that we cannot grow because flowers and fruits that will be there up to 15 to 20 degrees Celsius. Its temperature is exceeds more than 20 degrees Celsius, automatically flower drop or fruit drop will be there. But this variety, Arca Bria, is tolerant to up to 35 degrees Celsius. So this variety we can recommend for, it's a heat tolerant variety, we can recommend for flying condition. The important matter means the peach variety, another one is the Arca Apurva. So the Arca Apurva is the whole pod edible pea, because in other peas or matter varieties, we have to remove outer shell and we have to eat only inside buttons only. But this Arca Apurva with the outer shell, we can eat directly. Even this variety is having a very good shelf life, and the shell is very rich in crude fiber, protein, and also sugar. Even directly we can pluck it and eat as a salad. And mostly these varieties, now Karnataka government, Kerala government and all, they are recommending under kitchen garden, nutritional garden. So that's why this we get Arca Apurva, very popular variety in field. Then coming to the Dolichos, as you know that we used to call a lot of local names, but in Karnataka we are having two categories. One is a bush pea, it's a dwarf Dolichos, and the second one is a tribal type, tall, pole type Dolichos beans. And under two categories, under dwarf or bush pea, we are having Arca Soumya. It's an excellent variety and a very good pod quality and suitable for gravy making. It's called Arca Soumya, and the pod yield is around 20 to 25 tons per hectare. And second one is Arca Sambaram. So Arca Sambaram is a somewhat a broad bean. The bean types are somewhat broad one compared to earlier one. We used to call in local, it's called Pattayavarai, isn't it? So this is very popular in Tamil Nadu and some parts of Kerala. And third one is the Arca Swagat. That is the pole type. So earlier I told the bush bean, all are a dwarf type, Arca Sambaram, Arca Amon. But Arca Swagat is the pole type one. That another important advantage is these are the photo insensitive. So you can grow any season, even Kharif, Rabi, as well as for summer season also, you can grow. This Arca Swagat pole type, it is a somewhat long duration compared to earlier variety. The flowering will start after 60 days after planting, but it will extend up to 160 to 180 days. Even some farmers, they used to grow more than 7 months. Okay, so this is a pole type Dolichos bean, popularly called Arca Swagat. So the yield potential around 26 tons per hectare. Coming to the French bean varieties, again, as we told that these are the cold crop, but mostly we used to grow under hills only. But nowadays, beans everywhere they are growing, even in Tamil Nadu also. Three important types are available. One is Arca Anu, and third variety is Arca Arjun. So Arca Arjun is very popular and very famous in farmers' field. Why? Because this is the fruits are very good storage life and very long and tender fruits, attractive dark green color and stringless. That is important. It's easy to break. Stringless variety, and we used to recommend throughout India. So this is a very good variety in French bean. It's called Arca Arjun. And this is a bush bean. And again for pole type, it's used called Arca Sukuma. This is a pole type and high yielding and also resistant to rust. And it is suitable both the season, because these whatever varieties in French bean and Dolichos, we release later photo insensitive. Isn't it? So you can grow both the seasons, Kharif, Rabi, even summer season also you can grow. Coming to the French bean pole type, this variety we can grow both the seasons, Kharif as well as for Rabi season, and the yield potential also attractive. Almost we used to get 25 to 30 tons per hectare we used to get. And coming to the other vegetables, it comes under the vegetable coffee category, isn't it? It's popularly called yam long bean. Is Arca Mangala. In Tamil, we used to call Kaigeri Poriyal Tattai Pairu. Kaigeri Poriyal Tattai Pairu. This vegetable is very popular in Karnataka and Kerala. Somehow it is nowadays popularized in some parts of Tamil Nadu, particularly for Coimbatore and other districts which are near to the Chennai in around Tindivanam, Chengalpattu, Kanjipuram district. This is a fast growing vegetable. Among the all vegetable, this one is a fast growing legume vegetable. If you put the seeds in 30 to 35 days, even 20 to 25 days, you will get a flowering, and 30 to 40 days you can start harvesting, and up to 70 to 90 days you can do harvesting continuously. After 90 days, you can remove or you can plug it in the soil. So it will act as a nitrogen fixing vegetable. That is called, as you know, legume vegetable, and it will enrich the soil fertility. So it's a very popular, and the name is Arka Mangala. It's a variety of yard longbean, very popular type. And coming to the important vegetable is onion, isn't it? Onion, as I told, onion we are having a two category. One is the big onion, as popularly called the Bellary onion, Allium Sipa, Varieties Sipa, and the second one is the small onion or multiplier onion, Allium Sipa, Variety Aggregatum. As per IAHR is concerned, we are working mostly Bellary onion or big onion, and we are having a lot of varieties, even more than 1 dozen varieties we released it under big onion category. So whatever variety we are recommending under IAHR, we will recommend season wise, not only one variety or two varieties suitable for all season. For example, Kharif season, particularly for June, July, we used to recommend Arka Kalyan. Arka Kalyan is the best variety suitable for Kharif season, June, July planting, and excellent high yielder, 35 to 40 tons per hectare, and resistant to purple blotch. This is highly suitable for monsoon planting. It's particularly you can grow rainy season. Then second one is Arka Niketan. This is a dual season, particularly for Kharif you can grow, even Rabi season also you can grow. Here thing is having a very good storage life, very good keeping quality, and suitable for long distance transport. That is called Arka Niketan. And another important variety, or you can say synthetic hybrid, is Arka Beam. Arka Beam is the latest one. We released it from IAHR during the year 2000, I think 2015. So the attractive feature of this variety is just the color, attractive, very attractive crimson color, and bulb size is very uniform, and the shape also uniform, and the average approximately you will get 120 grams per bulb. And the thing is having a very good storage life and suitable for long distance transport. So very strong. That's why we get the name Arka Beam. Our Bima is very strong. So this our IHR onion Arka Beam also very strong and suitable for long distance transport, and the yield potential also higher. Earlier I used to told whatever varieties we used recommending from IHR, mostly 25 to 30 tons per hectare only. This one is the highest yield, almost 40 to 50 tons you will get it. Apart from these varieties, we have listed two hybrids. One is Arka Kirtiman and another one is Arka Lenima. So Arka Kirtiman and Arka Lenima, both the F1 hybrids are suitable for Kharif as well as for Rabi, and both the hybrids are having a very good storage life, long storage life, means very good keeping quality, and also suitable for long distance transport, and the yield potential around 45 to 50 tons per hectare. And apart from big onion, we are having a small onion, isn't it? Because small onion is very popular in Tamil Nadu, apart from TNAU, because TNAU Coimbatore is a pioneer in small onion research, and almost more than half dozen varieties they are listed in small onion. But as per IAHR is concerned, we are having only one variety is called Arka Ujwa. This is a small onion variety and highly suitable for export purpose, particularly for Gulf countries, Middle East countries. It is highly suitable for export, and this variety you can grow both the seasons, Kharif as well as for Rabi. The bulbs are very attractive, very good storage life, and yield just to see whatever variety we are recommending, or even our own varieties, we won't get more than 20 or 25 tons per hectare. Even if you calculate acre, farmers they used to get it 8 tons or 10 tons only. Here we got highest yield of 30 tons per hectare. So highly suitable for export. And apart from small onion, big onion, we are having very good white onion and also yellow onion. So these white and yellow onion are mostly suitable for pharmaceutical industries, particularly these hybrids or varieties having very good medicinal property and mostly for export purpose. Coming to the white onion, we are having two varieties, Arka Yojit and Arka Swadesha. So these are the white onion varieties having a very good total soluble solid and highly suitable for processing and also value addition. And we are having one more hybrid is called Pitambar. That is the golden hybrid we used to call. Is the Arka Pitambar. The color is yellow color, attractive golden color, and is tolerant to somewhat purple blotch and other major diseases, and is suitable for export. And apart from these varieties and hybrids, recently we developed one tea topper machine in onion. So as we know that onion leaf cutting or foliage removal is a very tedious and also laborious process, isn't it? For 1 acre minimum we have to hire 20 to 25 laborers for leaf cutting, particularly for that foliage cutting. For that purpose, we have developed an onion tea topper machine. This tea topper machine, even for 1 hour, we used to cut it more than 300 to 400 kg. Even for manually, we can do whole day, we can cut not more than 200 kg. But this machine within 1 hour will get a very good quality bulbs will get it. So after drying up this multiplier onion within 1 or 2 days or after shade curing, again you collect it and feed it in the copper, and it will cut all foliage and all kind of inert material including roots and other skins and other unwanted materials. Easily it will grade it, and good bulbs you can grade it in one tray. So this is the onion tea topper machine recently we developed, and almost now we are doing demonstration in onion belt, means onion growing areas, particularly Coimbatore, Tindikkal, even of course Theni, Ariyalur, and also Perambalur districts. And these are the products, the byproducts, the value addition, isn't it? So apart from bulbs, even as you know that onion is a highly volatile crop, even though sometimes we used to get 100 rupees per kg, sometimes it will go 5 rupees or less than 10 rupees, isn't it? So that time, what are the options for value addition? We used to prepare flakes, onion powder, onion rings, onion concentrate, like that. More than half dozen products we used to prepare our post-harvest laboratory, and we used to give a lot of training for onion growing farmers, how to make it these kind of products and how to make it export and other opportunities. And coming to the cucurbitaceous vegetable, watermelon. Of course, watermelon we are having a lot of varieties. That this is the earlier one, Arca Manning. This is the old one, but it is resistant to powdery mildew, downy mildew, and anthracnose. Even though yield potential is very high, but it's an old variety. And recently we released one variety called Arca Muttu. Arca Muttu is an icebox type, and the thing is, it's a dwarf type. So highly suitable for high density planting, and very good soluble solids around 14%, and a very good taste. Apart from that, we are having some hybrids in watermelon. It's called ICAR-IIHR and ICAR-IIHR. These are the F1 hybrids, but unfortunately we don't have proper quantity of seeds. That's why we are not recommending. But for recommendation, recently we have done for ICAR-Shama. This is the latest variety we released. It comes under the icebox. Icebox placement, easily you can store under refrigerator condition, and it is somewhat AD maturing type, and the fruit size is medium. It's around 3 to 4 kg. So nowadays, farmers they are interested to grow only small or medium size fruit rather than big size fruits. They are not interested to grow or interested to purchase as a consumer point of view. It's a big size fruit. So this is a small to medium size fruit, 3 to 4 kg, and very good taste, very good attractive red color fresh and very good taste. It's called ICAR-Shama. So you can grow both the season. Even mostly they are recommending Rabi, and summer you can grow summer season also. Apart from the produce, we can make it lot of byproducts. Even RTS, watermelon RTS beverages, we used to give training, and we used to prepare at our PhD lab, and we used to prepare watermelon drink candy. Even after extraction of juice, and by using that outer ring, you can make it a very attractive, tasty ring candy. Even watermelon ring pickle, after removing juice or after extracting juice, while using that ring, adding some masala and all, you can prepare very good, tasty pickles and also candy. So we used to give training for 1 day training or half-day training. We are offering, even particularly for agri student, horticulture student, or women groups, self-help groups, we used to give training. Then coming to the muskmelon we are having only one type. It's popularly called Arca Shri. It's a very attractive and a very tasty one, and we used to recommend for Rabi season or end of Rabi. We can start summer also. It's a very good yielder and having very good shelf life, Arca Shri. So coming to the pumpkin, as pumpkin is concerned, we are having a lot of variability on germplasm, just to see color, size, and shape. But at present, we have released 2 varieties. One is called Arka Suryamukhi. It is not a Chandramukhi. This is Arka Suryamukhi, which we released at ICAR-IIHR Bangalore. That attractive or salient feature of this variety is, this is otherwise called disco pumpkin, because the fruit size is very attractive dark orange color, and highly suitable for domestic purpose. The yield potential around 35 to 40 tons per hectare. It's highly suitable for domestic purpose. Arka Suryamukhi. And second one, we released as a Arka Chandan. Arka Chandan is a big size fruit, and the fruit ranges from 3 to 5 kg per fruit, and highly suitable for hotels. Even purchase hotel people, they used to purchase Arka Chandan. So depending upon the purpose, we used to recommend. For domestic purpose, we are recommending Suryamukhi. For hotel purpose, we used to recommend Chandan. Then coming to the bottle gourd also we are having a lot of varieties based on the size, color, shape. Particularly for bottle gourd farmers, they used to give mostly for size or shape only, isn't it? So here recently we released the Arka Shreya, that is a club shaped fruit, and for Arka Ganga, this is the oval size fruit, and the cylinder size fruit is Arka Newton, and the long straight fruit is called Arka Boger. So Arka Boger is a very old variety, and Shreya, Ganga, and Newton are latest varieties which we recommended from our IIHR. It is highly suitable to grow throughout the almost throughout the season, and also we are recommending for Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, and also Andhra. Apart from that, if you see the legume vegetable Dolicas, French bean, and we are having very good varietal wealth in vegetable coffee. We are having 3 varieties. One is called Arka Sharima, and the second one is the Arka Suman, and the third one is the Arka Samurti. So these are the short duration vegetable, legume vegetable, mostly used for crop rotation practice. And coming to the leafy vegetables, the major leafy vegetable, amaranth, isn't it? So amaranths, we are having a lot of types. Here I want to mention 2 important types. It's called Arka Sukuna and Arka Arnima. In general, amaranth, we are having 2 types. One is the pulling type, isn't it? One is the pulling type, another one is the multi-cut type. For pulling type, just when put the seeds, it will grow up to 30 to 45 days, and easily you can harvest, you can bundle it, you can send to the market. That is called the pulling type. And the second one is the multi-cut type. So if you put seeds 30 to 45 days, it will be ready, and you can cut, you can remove 1 feet above the soil level, and above the soil level just to make it a bundle, and you can send it. Again, if you give some water and some kind of fertilizer, again it will grow. So it is called a multi-cut type. So this is all comes under the stem amaranthus group, and we are having 2 colors. One is the green color stem amaranthus, is called Arka Suguna. So we used to get very good yield. Even general, whatever local varieties we used to call Tirikire, Mulakire, Arakire and all, we won't get not more than 2 tons, isn't it? But this stem amaranthus, we used to get 25 to 30 tons per hectare. This stem amaranthus, green color amaranthus is called Arka Suguna. Then another one, the red color, it's called Arka Arnima. This also comes under the multi-cut type, and only thing is color is different, but otherwise yield potential also very good. 25 to 30 tons you will get it. And multi-cut type, that is the added advantage. Normally for any amaranthus, the duration is 1.5 months or maximum 2 months. But this kind of multi-cut we can maintain up to 90 days, 3 months. So apart from amaranthus, we are having very good leafy vegetable coriander and palak. Even coriander also we are having a multi-cut type. It's popularly called ICAR-IIHR. So these seeds will be, or the plants will be ready after 45 days of sowing, and you can make it 2 to 3 gets with a duration of 70 to 90 days. So this is a multi-cut coriander type ICAR-IIHR. Then another one, palak. Palak also we are having very good type. It's called Arka Anubhava. This is the multi-cut type, and the duration is around 90 days. Even some palak varieties and all, even 30 to 45 days it will be ready. Being a multi-cut type, we can maintain up to 90 days. From 90 days, we can make it 3 to 4 cuttings. So this is also multi-cut palak variety. Then coming to the tuber crops or root crops, as I told that earlier we used to concentrate on onion and garlic. Of course, onion we are having very good varieties. And for tuber crops, particularly radish, we are working, and also carrot. Carrot, we are having 2 categories. One is a temperate carrot, another one is a tropical carrot. Of course, temperate carrot we are not concentrating, but some of the other institute regional station, particularly Almora, Catrine, they are working under temperate carrot. But coming to the tropical carrot, being in a tropical condition, and we released one variety is called Arka Suraj. So Arka Suraj is a tropical carrot which we are recommending for Karnataka and also some parts of Tamil Nadu. So here thing is that the attractive orange color, attractive deep orange color, and sugar content also good, and it is tolerant to powdery mildew and nematodes. So this is a tropical carrot. It's called Arka Suraj. And coming to the radish, we don't have that much variability in radish. We are having only one color, that is a white one, that is called Arka Nishant. So Arka Nishant is a white color radish, and the recommendation is throughout the year. Throughout the year you can grow any season. Earlier we used to recommend only Rabi season, being a cold crop, isn't it? Being a cold crop. And thing is now because of the climate adaptability and all, throughout the year we used to recommend Arka Nishant. This is a self-core variety. Even you can see the color. It's an attractive white color. Even if you see outside also white color, there is a milky white, and inside also milky white. Even some varieties, whatever you are purchasing from market, even outside you can see white color. If you cut, you will get a creamy or yellow color bone, isn't it? So here it is not like that. That's why we used to recommend that self-core variety, isn't it? That's a pure milky white, and it is somewhat resistant to pithiness and also premature bolting. Isn't it? Because most of the radish and carrot, if we grow under kharif condition, kharif season, you won't get a proper roots. Instead of roots, you will get a bolters. Isn't it? Bolter is the formation of umbels, formation of inflorescence. So here the premature bolting, this is a 100% resistant and resistant to pithiness. That is a soft core, isn't it? Some radish, if you will cut it, that's like a spongy tissue you observe, isn't it? So this is somewhat resistant to pithiness and bolting and also root branching. Lot of local varieties or private varieties, you won't get a single tuber, isn't it? So you will get a forking, means even each type you will get 2 or 3 branches, but this is 100% resistant to forking, and yield potential also very good. 40 tons per hectare you will get it. Then coming to the cruciferous vegetables, we are working only cauliflower, and we are having 2 types, only the Arka Bimal and Arka Frutti. So both the varieties comes under the small curd type, means the weight of curd is half kg to maximum of 1 kg, and the second one is it is suitable for both the season, both the kharif as well as for rabi. But these varieties are not popular because the farmers, they need big groups, isn't it? A big curd type, even for Krishnagiri, Dharmuri and all, they used to grow some private F1 hybrids. The ranges, the curd ranges from 2 to 3 kg, 2 to 3 kg or 3.5 kg. But our varieties and all know very less yield. Particularly the size is very small, half kg to 1 kg you will get it. But the second attractive thing is it's a white color, it's a milky white and the convert curd, and suitable for both the season, kharif as well as for rabi. Some private hybrids they will recommend only for rabi season. Even October, November, January you can grow. But this one you can grow both the season. Even rainy season also you can grow, and for rabi season or cool season also you can grow. Apart from that, tropical vegetables, and we used to concentrate on exotic vegetables also. I know you know the very well about exotic vegetables. Under ICAR-IIHR, we are having on a central horticultural experiment station at Tupur, and we used to concentrate more than 1 dozen different exotic vegetables. At Bangalore campus, we are working exotic vegetable under polyhouse condition or protected cultivation. But in good open condition itself, we are evaluating some important varieties and hybrids in various vegetables. Particularly for coming to the exotic vegetable, as you know that this is a, what is the vegetable? This is a lettuce, isn't it? So lettuce, we are having a lot of types. As you know that lettuce having a lot of means the components, leafy lettuce, and for cos lettuce, romaine lettuce, iceberg lettuce, like that, lot of types are available. And we used to collect these kind of varieties. It's called iceberg type, grand rabbit, butterhead, Zola rosa, green, romaine, Krishma, Rubimax, and Salinos. So Krishma type is very famous, and iceberg lettuce is very famous compared to leafy lettuce, isn't it? Because the mainly these lettuce and all mostly used for fast food preparation, isn't it? For making burger, pizza and all, they used to spread or they used to garnish. So these kind of lettuce and all mostly for fast food preparation only. But we evaluated all types, whatever varieties or whatever types available in the market, we used to evaluate under open condition as well as for protected condition. So these are our field view, open field view, and of course the green color lettuce We are having colored lettuce also, even pink color, purple color lettuce. So these are the important lettuce what we evaluated under Coorg. That is the Coorg is a hill station. It is located at Karnataka state, and we evaluated almost 9 times. As I told, Krishma is the iceberg head type lettuce, and we used to get half kg per plant. So normally for lettuce yield is maximum 100 gram, 150 gram, 200 gram, isn't it? Being a leafy type, the yield will be less. But even open condition also we got highest yield, maximum of 500 gram per plant. So these are the different kinds of lettuce we used to grow under polyhouse condition at Bangalore. And even of course lettuce we used to grow as an intercrop. Lettuce, green chili, or lettuce capsicum, or lettuce pollock we used to grow under greenhouse polyhouse condition. Even lettuce, broccoli, and also onion, garlic we used to grow. These are the different crops, the different leafy vegetables we are practicing. And coming to the other than lettuce, we used to grow Chinese cabbage also, isn't it? Because cabbage everywhere we used to grow, but the Chinese cabbage, if you see Chinese cabbage, the yield potential is almost double, and also nutrient content. Whatever nutrient content available in cabbage, if you compare with the Chinese cabbage and the normal cabbage, Chinese cabbage having more nutrient content, particularly vitamin A, and is highly useful for this kind of vegetable, mostly for fast food items, isn't it? So here also we identified or we collected a lot of varieties and hybrids from private, because there is no public sector working under Chinese cabbage research. So whatever seeds available in commercial market we collected and we evaluated. In general, Chinese cabbage having 2 types, isn't it? One is a pak choy and another one is a leafy type, isn't it? It's a compact lettuce, otherwise called compact lettuce. Or this is also a compact and leafy cabbage, and second one is a pak choy. So mostly if you go to Ooty, if you go to Kunnur and all, you can see acres together, isn't it? Under contract farming, they used to grow Chinese cabbage, but we used to grow Chinese cabbage under open conditions. Even we assembled almost 8 to 9 varieties, and we got very good yield from Apollo. Apollo is a hybrid and private hybrid, and the yield potential is around 2 to 3 kg per plant. This is the field view of Chinese cabbage, what we have done at our Coorg station. Apart from that, red cabbage, as you know that red cabbage, isn't it? Red cabbage is otherwise called the pH indicator plant, isn't it? Depending upon the soil pH, the color will change. If you grow this cabbage under acidic condition, less than 5, the color will be very attractive, dark crimson color. The same cabbage, if you grow under alkaline condition, the color will change, isn't it? If pH is more than 7, the color of the leaf will be changed. It will change to dark crimson to light green or yellow. So otherwise it is called, popularly is called the pH indicator plant. It's a red cabbage. It is having a very good nutrients. And here also we tried a lot of varieties. Whatever varieties is available in commercial market, we tried both open condition and also protected condition. And there is no question, there is a result open condition excellent compared to protected cultivation. Of course, protected cultivation also we are getting very good yield, but open condition, but particularly for during Rabi season, we used to grow October, November, December, and January. Even though this is a very short duration, 90 days, and we got very good yield potential. So you know, a lot of hybrids we used to recommend a Primero hybrid. The Primero hybrid, even each plant we used to get 1 to 1.5 kg, and even though yield potential is very less, and if you see the cost of production, particularly for cabbage, you will get a 10 rupees, 20 rupees, isn't it? Chinese cabbage 30, 40. So this one for one head, you will get 40 to 50 rupees per head. So very attractive and remunerative market for red cabbage. And coming to the next important nutrient packed vegetable is called broccoli, isn't it? So among the all vegetables, only one vegetable which is having more omega-3 fatty acids is broccoli. And the broccoli soup is highly recommended for heart patients. And it is having some amount of vitamin C and also vitamin A. And of course, if you see the parental wealth, only IRA station, IRA Katrain, they have released one variety called KTS, Pusa KTS1. And apart from that, Himachal, Palam, isn't it? Palam, they have released a lot of varieties. Palam Kanchan, Palam Atvika, Palam Vichitra, and Palam Samadhi. So these are the 4 varieties they have released under broccoli, and each variety having some unique quality, isn't it? For concha, this is the yellow type, and for Vichitra is a purple one, and Samadhi is a purple pinch one, and the exactly green color is a Attica. So these are the 4 varieties, the 4 common varieties available in Indian market, isn't it? Apart from that, Pusa KTS1 that was linked from Katrain Research Station, and apart from this 5, we are having a one more variety. I think it's called the Pune Ganesh that is released from MPKV Raguri. So only 6 varieties in India. Only 6 varieties are available from public sector. Apart from that, lot of varieties from private. So we have assembled a lot of private hybrids because in farmers' point of view, mostly they interested to go these kind of private hybrids only. And whatever varieties released from our IRI and also IHR or MPKV Raguri, mostly these varieties are suitable for northern India, particularly for southern India, particularly for our western Ghats and all. Mostly private hybrids are highly suitable, particularly for fire forward and also Bijo Sheetal hybrid. So we used to grow under open and also productive cultivation, and productive cultivation excel we got very good yield, but open condition also equally good yield. Even each plant we used to get 600 to 800 gram. So this is the field view of open condition. Apart from broccoli, we used to cultivate zucchini, isn't it? Zucchini also one cucurbitaceous vegetable, mostly used for fast food items, isn't it? Here we are having 2 colors, one is a yellow color one, another one is a green color one. Here also mostly we are recommending both cultivation, protected as well as for open cultivation. And the open cultivation we used to recommend 2 seasons, one is a Rabi, another one is a summer. So compared to 2 colors, the yield potential of yellow is very less compared to green color. And for yellow, we used to get per plant, we used to get 1.5 to 2 kg. And green color fruit, we used to get 3 to 5 kg. So each plant, you will get a 15 fruits per plant. So we used to cultivate both the season and also both the system of cultivation, open as well as productive cultivation. And another one important exotic and popular pepper is a hot pepper is jalapeno pepper, isn't it? I don't know whether you have seen or not. This is very popular in some areas. Mostly private companies are involving under contract farming, and this pepper is mostly useful for fast food item, particularly for making pizza and also some fast food items. They will cut this kind of fruits and they will keep it in dry solution or under vinegar. And whenever they want to prepare, they will take 1 or 2 spoons, isn't it? So that is the only purpose. We cannot use directly for grain making and other purpose. Only fast food items, and it is an export commodity. Even from India, we used to export to California, Australia, and all. It's a very popular one. Even of course, Karnataka they used to grow. I don't know Tamil Nadu whether they are growing or not. But at present, we are having only private hybrids, imperial hybrids, Femini, Mexicana, and Umachi. So these are the hybrids we used to grow and we used to recommend to the farmers. Of course, we don't have any variety from public sector or from IIHR. Only private hybrids are available. And if you see the yield potential per plant, we used to get 2.23 kg. And if we calculate the acre or hectare, we used to get 35 to 40 tons per hectare. It's 100% export commodity vegetable. We cannot sell under direct marketing or direct market or market mandi. Only we have to do export, and followed by, if you don't want to export, you have to do preservation. You have to do processing under vinegar or some kind of preservatives you have to use. Again, you have to export, or you can sell it to all fast food items, particularly for McDonald's, isn't it? McDonald's, Subway Express, these kind of fast food outlets we can sell. Apart from these exotic vegetables, we are having some production technology, and recently we have released AMC, that is Arca Microbial Consortia. This is one kind of biofertilizer we are recommending for all horticulture crops, isn't it? So it contains the nitrogen fixing, phosphorus and zinc polymerizing bacteria, and is highly suitable for horticulture crops, particularly vegetables. So for vegetables, particularly for nursery raising, instead of cocoa peat, we used to recommend only Arca fermented cocoa peat. It is enriched with some microorganisms. Here you can see the growth of Arca fermented cocoa peat used as a media in nursery. You can see a lot of lateral roots. The first one is this plain cocoa peat you see, and you won't get that much root growth. And the second one is you get a very good root growth. So first one is the AMC, that is Arca Microbial Consortia, one technology. Second one is the AFC, Arca Fermented Cocoa Peat. So whatever this technology, mostly we are using for commercial nursery raising. And third one is we have standardized a lot of technology for protected cultivation, even more than 1 dozen vegetable crops. We standardized, as I told, lettuce, broccoli, cherry tomato, even parthenocarpic cucumber, seedless watermelon, and haricot beans. Whatever high value vegetable crops we used to grow under our polyhouse, greenhouse, chain net house, and we used to recommend. We are having a package of practice for more than 1 dozen vegetable crops. And I think we have this Arca automatic dibbler cum seeder for vegetable nursery. For sowing vegetables, it will take a lot of time, isn't it? It's a very cumbersome and laborious process. For that, we developed this automatic dibbler cum seeder. This is an imported one, but based on our requirement, we have modified. And we are having one special micronutrient. It's called Arca Vegetable Special, isn't it? This is a micronutrient mixture highly recommended for foliar application. So it will reduce the uptake, it will increase the uptake of nutrient, and it will reduce the cost of cultivation, and it will improve the yield around 20 to 30%. So we used to recommend for all vegetables, any kind of vegetable, you can do foliar application of Arca vegetable. Our recommendation is 3 times. That is 2 to 3 gram per liter. First the foliar spray at 30 days, and the second one is 45 to 60, and third one is 60 to 90 days after transplanting. Apart from that, we are having biopesticides, neem soap, and Pungam soap for organic farming. This is all our own IAHR products we are recommending for organic farming. And we are having a lot of biopesticides. And recently we have developed one technology, it's called the Arca Herbal Wash. Isn't it? So this is a herbal product which we developed at our IAHR. This product is mostly removal of all kind of pesticides. Isn't it? Even though we are recommending for farmers, they used to apply a lot of pesticides till August. So with the result, lot of our products, a lot of our vegetables are rejected during export. And we developed one product. We developed one herbal product. It is called Arca Herbal Wash. So before cooking any vegetables or before cutting, this herbal product that you have to do washing. So 1 kg of vegetables, you can take 2 grams and you can mix it with water, and you can allow for 5 to 10 minutes. After that, again you take it and again you do for tap water cleaning. And with the result, you can remove whatever pesticides, fungicide or weedicide present in the surface will be removed. Almost 80 to 90%. As we know that hand sanitizer, isn't it? Everybody knows hand sanitizer. This is a vegetable sanitizer we developed at IHR. So this is a 100% organic. That's why the Arca Herbal Wash. So this is also a product which is already commercialized. This is also available in public domain. And recently we developed a vegetable vending machine. Of course, fruit and vegetable vending machine we developed at Karnataka. So this van we developed during Corona period, isn't it? The Corona period, we won't get a fresh vegetables at our door. So we have to send or we have to deliver fresh vegetable to the all citizens, all people. So we have developed this van, and it is operated fully by solar. So upper side solar panels are available. This capacity is around 200 to 300 kg. You can store it, and for all this 100% all controlled by solar radiation only, and inside all automatic. So we are having so once this van is filled with the fruits and vegetables, we can take it and we will keep it in apartment, and automatic the bell system is there, just on button, and it will on. So vegetables are ready. Vegetable van came to particular apartment. Please come and take it. Like that, it will do some kind of announcement, and digital screen is there. So if you come to purchase vegetable, just you touch a screen, and you will come to know what are the vegetables available, isn't it? Vegetable, fruits, and if you touch that again fruits, what is the price? So 100% digital one, automatic vans are available, and mostly we are using for selling vegetables and also fruits. And apart from that, these are our vegetable seeds. Even we developed the Arca Nutri Kit or Arca Kitchen Kit. So it comprises of 8 to 10 different kind of vegetables. This one simple packets are available. We are having open pollinated variety. We are having apple hybrid. The cost is around 200 rupees. Almost 7 to 8 vegetables are available. And this is Arca Urban Fertility Kit. So this also it is available. The cost around 600 rupees. So this bag contains small quantity of vegetable seeds, flower seeds, some biopesticides, particularly to cater the needs of urban people or city people. So they interested to grow small kind of or small vegetable or some kind of flowers at their balcony or terrace garden, isn't it? For that they have to purchase single or double and they have to roam here and there. To avoid this kind of problems, we developed the urban horticulture. It consists of some quantity of vegetable seeds, flower seeds, even some biopesticides, biofertilizers. So this is our seed portal is available. Any farmers, anybody interested to purchase any kind of our vegetable seeds or fruit plants, directly they can visit this IIHR seed portal and directly you can log it and you can click it your vegetables or fruits and you can click any varieties and again you can click how much quantity you want to purchase and you can pay and you can feed address and directly it will come to your house. It's just like Amazon and Flipkart. So no need to come to Bangalore for purchasing of any kind of vegetable seeds or planting material. You can recommend this one to the farmer and anybody interested to purchase directly, they can go to IHR seed portal. So this is the message of the day. So today's message is a self-explanatory, no need to tell, isn't it? So what do you understand the last slide? What is the message? What kind of message you will get it? No to all kind of chemicals, preservatives, multivitamins and all. Only you can eat fruits and vegetables. So this is the message for today. And this is my contact number. So particularly for students, we are offering, I want to tell something about for offer from students, offer from IIHR for students. At present, IIHR, we are having more than 150 horticulture business models. Okay, horticulture business model is available at IIHR. Those who want to study, you can go for MSc or PhD. Those who don't want to study, just you want to become a businessman or entrepreneur, or you want to make entrepreneurship, or you want to give work, or no, you want to give work to other people, and you can select our horticulture business model. So we are having 150 horticulture business model, just like one vegetable seed production, just a fruit juice making technology, dry flower technology, biopesticide, or the cocoa pit technology, like that commercial vegetable nursery, like that we are having 150 horticulture business models are available. So we are having a very good booklet. As anybody is interested, just you can note on my WhatsApp number. You can give WhatsApp, then I will share that catalog. Okay, horticulture business model. So we are having more than 150. So anybody interested, we will share that 150 business model. You can select any model, any horticulture business model, just like a commercial vegetable seed production. You can select and you can take training from us. We used to give training, isn't it? You cannot go directly for seed production, isn't it? So you have to do MOU with the IIHR, even students or without the students, even if you don't need any background from Agri Horti, any farmer they can come, they can take a training and they have to do MOU with the IIHR and they have to undergo minimum 5 days or 1 week training, then they can start their own seed production. Okay, this is one example I am telling. Like that, 150 horticulture business models are available at IIHR. In India, only one institute we are having a business model. So second offer is even if you are doing business, for example, seed production, you want to start vegetable seed production, we are doing seed production, even if you produce 100 kg, but we are unable to sell. Again, you can sell it to IIHR. That is called buyback system. In India, first time IIHR is introduced a buyback system. Okay, whatever our technology you are doing, you are unable to sell to public domain. Again, you can sell to IIHR. You can send to our IIHR. We are having our own attic outlets and we will sell and the same amount will deposit into your account. So for that, you have to undergo training, IIHR training, and you have to MOU. You have to MOU with the IIHR. Okay, so these are all the business model available for students. And second, we are also shortly we are going to launch MSc Horticulture program. Okay, at present we are having PhD Horticulture, isn't it? I think you know, you might be knowing. In PhD Horticulture, only India, only 2 campuses are available. One is IRI and second one is IIHR. So totally 40 seats. First 20 seats will be allotted to IRI, second 20 for IIHR. So now 20 seats. 20 seats, vegetable science 5, floriculture 5, post harvest 5. Again, one more. What is that? Fruit science 5. So 26. Okay. For that we are giving fellowship of 35,000 per month. Okay. So 35,000 per month we are giving fellowship. And for 10,000, we are giving for contingency for purchasing of books or any material stationery. Another 10,000 we are giving for attending any kind of conference seminar. Okay, for that you have to write national level, all India level, SRF, JRF for MSc, and for PhD, SRF. Okay, so very shortly we are going to launch MSc also. So that time is all India level exam only, isn't it? Now I think more than 100 seats are available. Only first 25 seats for IRA. Remaining seats will be distributed to SAUs, State Agriculture University. Next time what they will do, first 25 IRA, second 25 for IIHR. Remaining seats will be distributed to all SAUs. Okay, so if you want to pursue for higher studies, particularly for MSc and PhD, you are welcome. We are having very good library facility. We are having a lot of textbook, horticulture related textbook or for competitive exams. It is available. So as I already mentioned, my mobile number, email. Anybody interested to purchase some books or you want to refer, directly you can come and you can stay. We are having hostel facilities also. You can stay 1 or 2 days. If you want to take a Xerox or copying or something, some books you can do it. No problem. You are most welcome. Okay, so this is offer from IHR we used to give. Okay, apart from that, if you want to, sir, I don't want to pursue academic or no studies, I don't want to become a businessman. Just I want to work for some farms. You are all welcome because in Bangalore, lot of farms are available. Private farms, no, lot of seed production companies are available. Regularly, they used to ask BSc Agri graduate or horticulture graduate. Okay, so you take my number. So anybody interested to work as a farm supervisor or horticulturist for no certain period, so you are welcome. So any opportunities, job opportunities, we will inform you. Okay, thank you very much. If you have any questions, please.
Thank you very much for your elaborate lecture. My question is, any work related to protected cultivation with the F1 hybrids at IIHR Bangalore at the commercial exploitation?
Sir, for protected cultivation, as I told already, more than 1 dozen vegetable varieties and hybrids we have standardized. Particularly for tomato, we are recommending not all varieties and hybrids. And recently we are recommending cherry tomato, but we are not released. That is from private company only. But we have standardized full package of practices, starting from seed sowing to harvesting. We have standardized package of practice. Of course, our Arka-Rakshak, as I told, that is a salad tomato, is highly suitable for grow under protected cultivation. So we have standardized cost of means package of practices. Apart from tomato, as I told, some exotic vegetables we have standardized, and beans, particularly haricot beans, and some kind of French beans we have standardized. Yard long bean, as I told, is Arka Mangala. So we have standardized even Arka, this one, Ridgegood also. Ridgegood also we have standardized package of practices. It is available, sir. More than 1 dozen varieties and hybrids we tested under protected cultivation.
Okay, sir. Another issue related to statewide, then cropping holding and farmers holding. So nearly 60% of farmers under Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, and southern part of India, the farm holding may be small and marginal holding. Then second one is almost the dryland farming may be possible. Any variety in tomato particularly for heat tolerant for the benefit of farmers, for large scale exploitation for farm holding, particularly small and marginal holding, because our state, Tamil Nadu, is maximum 62 to 70% dryland may be occupied. So garden land, other irrigated crop, there is no problem because the farmers are concentrating on F1 hybrids of tomato and other vegetables. But what about our main concern is a variety suitable for dryland cultivation all over Tamil Nadu. So our earlier variety PKM1, we at the time of release, lot of farmers they are growing under dryland. Then another variety, then Payur 1, we released for exclusively dryland. So we covered almost 10 to 20% of cultivable area in drylands. Then we required maximum area expansion of tomato with the drylands, even in summer condition. So for any variety in IHR Bangalore, exclusively for dryland cultivation of tomato.
Sir, at present, as we are concentrating on hybrids only, isn't it? Now, farmers are not interested to grow varieties from particularly from tomato. So, mostly they are interested in yield factor only. So, varieties, as you told, varieties, even though it is having some good salient feature, but the farmers are not interested. But we are having a Arca Abed, that is F1 hybrids. Recently, we developed that variety. You can grow throughout the year. That's why we used to call all season tomato. Even summer season also you can grow. Kharif also you can grow. Rabi also you can grow. That is a all season tomato, Arca Abed. So apart from Arca Abed, we are having one more variety. Arca Abed is a F1 hybrid, and we are having one old hybrids called Arca Meghali. Arca Meghali is suitable for rain-fed cultivation, and it is resistant to 100% root knot nematode. So India first time we are released the Archaean resistant variety that is called Arca Meghali, and it is suitable for rain-fed also. So these two we can recommend for, as are told, small and marginal farmers, particularly for rain-fed. And in case of chilies, we are having exclusive variety, even Arca Lohit and Arca Supal. These are the varieties, as I mentioned, these varieties we can recommend to Ramnath district also, because Ramnath district mostly farmers are rain-fed chilies they used to grow. So this variety, even a long back they tested, or if you want also, we can give certification. It is available, sir.
So dryland varieties you have,
Yeah.
particularly for tomato and
Yeah, chilies we are having exclusive dryland variety we are having. Tomato we already tried rain-fed and particularly summer season. The performance is comparatively good. We won't get that much yield even for recommended, because nowadays we are recommending all package only. Fertigation with drip irrigation and mulching, isn't it? That is our recommended broad base for PBF, fertigation, mulching, micronutrient. This is a recommended technology. Of course, as you told, small farmers, even as far as Karnataka is concerned, 100% they used to grow all kind of vegetables under PBF, broad base furrow, with the drip irrigation fertigation only. Nobody is growing without a drip. But vice versa, even Tamil Nadu still some farmers they used to grow under ridges and furrow without mulch, isn't it, sir? So for those area we can try. We will give if you want to test anywhere. Tomato also will supply. Chilies also will ready to supply.
then another important question, sir. Nowadays, Tamil Nadu, 20% of farmer vegetable growers they are going for precision horticulture. So earlier, 10 years before, after the normal conventional cultivation, now we are focusing for precision vegetable production, because we need to increase the productivity and production of vegetable crops. That's why F1 we focus for commercial exploitation. So you are under broad-based vegetable cultivation research in IHR Bangalore. Any precision technology is available for increase the production through scientific intervention? This is one question. Then another question is related to the any molecular work or transgenic work you are started for vegetable crop improvement program in IHR Bangalore.
Sir, your first question, precision farming techniques. So maybe 10 years back, we have standardized the precision farming techniques for onion, tomato, and chilies. Even onion, we are standardized, both onion, big onion also, small onion also. We are having foolproof technologies, starting from sowing to harvesting, even with the use of sensor and GPS systems. We are having precision farming techniques, onion. And recently, we developed a package of practices for tomato, chili, capsicum. So all these crops, mostly for all solanaceous crop, we have developed precision farming techniques with use of all kind of sensor and GPS system. And even cucurbitaceous vegetable, particularly watermelon, we have standardized. And for legume vegetable, French bean, we have developed precision farming. Almost more than 8 to 9 crops, we have developed precision farming technique. Simultaneously, we have developed organic farming technology also. Even organic farming technology in India, first time we have released booklets for organic farming technologies recommended for vegetables, starting from sowing to the harvesting. Almost 15 vegetable crops we have standardized. And recently we participated in organic farming launching program for Nilgiri districts launched by Tamil Nadu government. and we are also the one of the partner, and we are ready to share our organic package for hilly vegetable. And we are having a package, sir. Organic package also we are having. Precision farming package also we are having. And the second, molecular works we are doing, sir, for all crops as a part of a breeding program, maybe in a biotic or abiotic stress resistant. And thing is, horticulture we are not doing, and that work we are assigned to biotechnologist. So biotechnologist will be a co-PA of our project. And all crops, even tomato, chili, brinjal, and all, whatever varieties or hybrids we are releasing, first one is a TNA fingerprinting. That is a must, isn't it? That is a unity or no unique feature of our particular variety or hybrid that our scientists are doing. All programs we biotechnologies are acting as a copy of our project. But the only thing is there is a no commercial application. I think you might be knowing there is no variety or hybrid biotechnology part. But as a part of breeding program, we are involving all kind of biotechnological work.
Good evening, sir. Myself, C. Muniappan from third PhD Fruit Science, sir. So my question is, any aeroponics, hydroponics studies to standardize crops or any technology to specific for IIHR Bangalore? Any specific technologies in aeroponics and hydroponics?
Aerobonic, hydroponics and all, once upon a time we started. Long back we have started, and in between we stopped, and again we launched last 2 years back. We got COE, Center of Excellence in Vegetables, under protected cultivation. We got it, and at present we started, and we are working in lettuce, aerobonics and hydroponics. Lettuce we are working, pollock vegetables we are working, cherry tomato we are working. We don't have a foolproof technologies. Just we are trying 3 or 4 system of cultivation, both aeroponics, hydroponics, we are working. So you can come any time and you can see crops. For season wise, we are recommending different crops, but we got a very good performance in lettuce. Lettuce we are having. Of course, potato we are trying. Potatoes already standardized, but potato we are trying commercial cultivation.
So thank you very much, sir. On behalf of HNRI Curriculum, TNAU, we are having a very pleasant lecture with Dr. B. Sankar. So definitely it will immensely helpful for our students, particularly UG and PhD, PG programs. And then we appreciate the speaker having an elaborate deliberation of lecture with very good photographs and illustration. Almost he covered all the varieties from A to Z of vegetable crops. So definitely it will be useful for our young technocrats of horticultural fraternity. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. With this, I request Dr. C. Mutaya, Professor and Head, PG Coordinator, is proposed to vote of thanks.
Respected Dean, Horticulture College and Research Institute, Periyakulam, Dean, Postgraduate Studies, TNA Coimbatore. So at the outset, I would like to thank the speaker, Dr. V. Sankar, scientist, IIHR Bangalore, for his elaborate the guest lecture on the IIHR varieties and technologies. And this is very much, I hope this is very much useful to all our students of TNAU, and they can have the future vision and this, those who are want to have the vegetable breeding, this will be very much useful for them. And also I would like to thank all the PG scholars, PhD students, as well as the undergraduate students, as well as the other participants who have come over throughout the TNAU for participating in this guest lecture. I thank one and all for attending this guest lecture. Thank you very much. Thank you one and all.